A firm sells its only product at rupees 10 per unit. Its variable cost ratio is 70% while fixed costs are 1000. Present sales are 1000 units required. Find out degree of operating leverage. EBIT if sales increases by 40%. EBIT if sales fall by 25%. By what percentage should sales fall before the firms start incurring losses? This is a good question because it tests your knowledge of degree of operating leverage. First, let me find out DOL, that is degree of operating leverage. What is the present sales? 1000 units. So sales will be 1000 into what is selling price? 10, which is nothing but 10,000. Variable cost is 70% of sales, that is 7,000. Contribution will be 3,000 minus a fixed cost. What is fixed cost? 1,000. What will be EBIT? 2,000. What will be DOL? Contribution upon EBIT. Contribution is 3,000 divided by 2,000. That is 1.5. Is degree of operating leverage. Let me solve second sum. EBIT if sales increases by 40%. See, your understanding should be absolutely clear. If the sales increases by 40%, EBIT will increase by 40% into 1.5. Sir, you explained us in a different manner that if contribution increases by 40%, then the EBIT will increase by 40% into 1.5. But it is one and the same. Percentage change in sales will be equal to percentage change in contribution. So if sales increases or contribution increases by 40%, EBIT will increase by 60%. There's a 60%. Alright. What is current EBIT? Current EBIT is 2000. Will be increasing by 60%. 60% of 2000 is 1200. It will increase by 1200, so it will become 3200. EBIT will become 3200. This is understanding of degree of operating leverage. Can I find out whether my answer is correct or not? Yes. Sales has increased by how much percentage? 40%. So sales would have become 10,000 increasing 40% is 14,000. 14,000 into 70% is 9,800 will be variable cost, because variable cost is directly proportional to sales. What will be remaining? 4,200. What will be fixed cost? 1,000. My answer was correct. The answer is yes, because I am knowing the concept of degree of operating leverage. Sir, should I explain this? No. If you are very comfortable in this and you can directly find out 3,200 every time you did not explain, that my answer is correct. But as a faculty, I will teach you every time that our answer is correct. EBIT if sales fall by 25%. Question number 3. If sales decreases by 25%, EBIT will also decrease, but not by 25%. It is 25% into 1.5. That is 37.5. What was original EBIT? 2000. It will decrease by 37.5%. What is 2000's 37.5? 2000 into 0.375. It is 750 minus 2000 is 1250. So my new EBIT is going to become 1250. If the sales decreases by 25%, EBIT will decrease by 37.5%. This is meaning of degree of operating leverage. Where we have understood, if degree of operating leverage is 2, what does it mean? If contribution increases 1 time, EBIT will increase 2 times. That is, if sales increases 1 time, EBIT will increase 2 times. Let me check whether my answer is correct or not. Sales has decreased by 25%, so it will become 7,500. What will become variable cost? 7,500 into 0.7, that is 5250. This will be 2250. This will be 1000. What is the answer? 1250. Our answer is correct. So every time before you start leverage, try to solve this question. If you will solve this question and not by this method, see here you could have taken this, decrease the sales by 25%, find out the answer. You could have got this answer, but I want answer in this manner. And if you are able to find out answer in this manner, your concept of degree of operating leverage is absolutely clear. Question number 2. By what percentage should sales fall before the firm start incurring losses? Again, an excellent question. By what percentage should sales fall before firm starts making losses? All right. What will be the, or let me write down in this manner. Dash percentage decrease in sales will be equal to 100% decrease in EBIT. When there will be 100% decrease in EBIT, why 100% decrease? Any EBIT, if there is 100% decrease, it will become 0. And I want this point, the point at which I start incurring losses. So I want EBIT 0. So I want to decrease EBIT by 100%. How much sales should decrease? Please concentrate. What is DOL? 1.5. If sales decreases by X percentage, EBIT will decrease by X into 1.5 percentage. EBIT will decrease. I want this as 100%. So X will be is equal to 100 divided by 1.5. That is 66.67. If the sales decreases by 66.67%, then EBIT will become 0. If EBIT becomes 0, if the sales decrease more than 66.67%, then the firm will start incurring losses. And this answer can be found out by a very simple method. I am doing it, but understand, if you want to actually learn the concept of degree of operating leverage, you should be able to do this. If the sales decreases by 66.67%, let me do it. If the sales decrease by 66.67%, what will be percentage decrease in EBIT? will be 66.67 into 1.5. What is it? 66.67 into 1.5. Is it 100%? That was required. They are saying us when the firm will start incurring losses. Got it? Sir, how it can be found out in other manner? I want EBIT 0. My fixed cost is 1000. So my contribution should be 1000. Then only EBIT will become 0. What is contribution per unit? Per unit is a 10 minus 7. What is selling price per unit? 10. What is variable cost per unit? 7. So what is contribution per unit? 3. Contribution per unit is 3. So how much units are to be sold to get a contribution of 1000? 1000, or let me do it in full manner. Contribution is 30%, variable cost is 70%, and sales is 100%. So I can get answer of sales by cross multiplying it. 1000 into 100 divided by 30. 1000 into 100 divided by 30. That is 3333. Alright. What is the sales right now? 10,000. At 3,333 units. After this, company will start incurring losses. How much this is percentage decrease? Please try to concentrate. What I need to find out? This is how much percentage decrease. How much it is actually decrease? 6,667 units. 6,667 on 10,000 units multiplied by 100 is 66.67%. If the sales exactly decrease by 66.67%, EBIT will be 0. After that, the firm will start incurring losses. So if the sales decrease by more than 66.67%, the firm will start incurring losses. This is extremely good question for understanding. You should always revise this day before examination, day before prelims, and not that full-fledged manner, not this. This should be absolutely understood.